So now we'll press our escape key. What was happening? So you can see all the animations are now there. This is the one we'll tell you about. This is appear, and we applied close to the, and this one is giving issue. So this is the for the text, this text, and this guy is the group. No, sorry. This is the key appear animation. This guy happens to be the padlock animation, which is number one because they are the one leading. So this guy still in number one group, that these are group one, is the text animation, and it's being put, you will look at it, is put after previous. What is the meaning of after previous? When this guy plays, this guy comes in. So these two, irrespective of this, all these three are number one. When we say something they are number one, these three of them are supposed to just fly in. This is the effect. That is why you must, that is why you must understand animation, the video aspect of it. Look at it very well. If not, this will be confusing. This tutorial will be of no help for to you. Now number 5, number 4, and this guy happens to be number 1. Now this guy will just take it as a group in the number 1 because it's a text box. It's different. It's just like looking different from this guy object, this guy text. So they are just number 1, 2 of them are number 1. Now this guy is a kind of number 1 that we add this. Look at this guy. I want us to get it very well. This guy is with previous on click. So now on click means if I click the screen, this first guy should come in. This first guy should come in. This guy should also appear with this guy, previous with this guy. They should come together. As I say, with previous means they are coming together. The first guy and the second guy are coming together to appear on the scene together with previous. Like they just come together because note this guy in the first tutorial, this guy is a separate image. This guy is also a separate image. We crop it. So don't be looking at, I'm seeing why are you telling me that they will come together? This guy is a separate image. This guy, if you want to know that it's a separate image, let me do it tactics for you. Send to front, you can see mean that you can throw it away. So now let's just send to back. Let us not scatter our editing. Send to back. So we are back at our end. So these two comes together to play. Now this text now comes with them also because it's number 1. He has the mouth, he has the right to come in with them as the first guy. But the problem, the scope here is this: these two are coming together into the scene with appear. They else appear. Now instead of this guy appearing with them, no, this another animation called, look at, there are 3 animations. On click previous, on click me, just click it, you should come with previous. So it's only this guy that is on play. When you click it, it comes, but this guy follows him to come with previous, and this guy is after previous. You will come, but first of all wait for the on click and the on click. First of all wait for the on click and the with previous, which is these two. First let this guy come into the scene before you come into the scene. We have wasted time on this explanation because it's the key. So it comes. Now this is our second animation, which is the key, because number 1, this guy is already in the scene. We explain it by launching it so that we understand it also. This guy is already in this. Why is he doing multiple? So now this guy is already seen. We are done with this guy. So it comes to these guys, this key part. Now the first animation here is this number 2. You can see it's number 2. It flows, it comes in, right? Now if you look, this guy still remains number 2. He's following me orderly, like orderly. Number 2 comes into the scene, floats in, like the key floats in. Another number 2 is the test. When it floats in, what's the key all about? Key. The company needs to follow this test for them to what? To progress. Look at it, it's a test with animation there. Wipe animation, the positioning to the right. You can see we are done number 2. Number 3, these are number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, it passes look at it, number 3. They spin the theta, the parts, it follows and opens this guy to this guy, to like opens this guy, all of them. So it comes here, this last part, which is the line animation, to open this guy. So this guy opens at this number 5. It opens here. So after opening, you want test to appear. Immediately it opens, a test appears at default. But now we put it at after previous, so that immediately it opens, that's when it should trigger. Not that you still need to hit it on click before it appears. That is why I say what? Look at this is number 3 now. It works. So when you hit it here, this guy joins your number 3. So we just have 3 animations, everything that 1, 2, 3. So there are all 3 things we have. Let's go and see F5. The F5.
My like my the one they give me for the military.
Oh shit, based on saying maybe they want to do something. They don't see your contribution. They don't see.
I don't think my love before.
All different. So
no, I'm just explaining. I have a problem. I tell you, I don't want to be already.
So this is the F5. So with the click, it comes into the scene. Problem, who can help us now? So with another click, the key comes in. If the company follows these steps, they will progress. With the last key, which is last animation, it comes up and the other one say the key work out. We follow the key and we are the best company. This is all about the animation. Let's just press escape key. You can see all of them, the way they follows each other. So that is that for the key animation. Thank you. Watch out the next animation.